Little Poppins toys.
Play and learn.
Time for some backyard sprinklers.
Little Poppins toys review, and today we're opening the sprinkle and splash play mat by
VATOS.
VATOS.
So it says play with water, enjoy a happy summer, and it is 59 inches diameter. It's a big one for 18 months plus. And this is how it works. So here it says there's a nozzle where you can release water and connect water.
And when you want to take out the water from it, you just have to take out the pipe and the water will come splashing everywhere. It's a good way to watch your garden.
Yeah, and the print here is colorful and cute marine animals. And it is also guaranteed safe. It's non-toxic, lead-free and BPA-free. And yeah, it's basically safe for kids.
Open it now. So, there's also a warning sign. There's two openers. So, let's open the first opener.
Are you excited to play in sprinkler?
Yeah.
In the backyard.
I see the nozzle. Guys. Yes, guys, do you know there's a sprinkler in Redmond?
Yeah, there are a lot of sprinklers in summertime in the park. But this is a sprinkler that you can play at home.
Oh, it's going to be so much fun.
Yeah.
We were watching Alpha Blocks today. Yeah. It's full of ABCs in it.
And sprinkler starts with what alphabet?
D. No, it starts with S.
Sprinkler.
Okay. It looks like the nozzle is there. Okay. Here we have the instructions. Wait, that's a nozzle. Don't turn it. I don't know what.
So it says VATOS Fun and Play. VATOS water mat is made of premium quality non-toxic PVA material. Safe, let's say 100% safe for your kids. Yeah. Okay. The mat.
Let's open the mat.
We have just spread another beach mat down here so that
Teamwork.
this doesn't poke the kids.
Yeah. Ooh. Okay, open it fully. Wow.
Put it down.
Oh, that looks so. So let's see. Show the holes. And so much fun starts with which letter? S.
Sprinkler.
Sprinklers are so much fun.
So there is a nozzle
Which you
will have to connect there.
Yeah.
And I think it's pretty simple for kids to connect by themselves. I spy with my little eye a seahorse.
A seahorse, a pufferfish, a regular fish, a shell, a
blue
turtle,
whale.
a blue whale, a crab, a sea starfish, and the nozzle with this little thing up.
Just like this. If you look closely, there are like small holes here in the pipe. I think this is what will cause the sprinkler.
Now we should connect the nozzle
To the water pipe. Go in, Gudiya.
You're genius, Amma.
Make that side proper, good. Pull the mat out. Pull, pull, pull. Now go in. It's like pizza. It's fluffing like a pizza.
I'm started. The water is so cold. I wish I was in the sunlight. Oh gosh! Oh gosh!
Don't scream. Don't scream. Sit down. It's a sprinkler. Sprinkler.
Goggles if you get scared.
So let's turn on the speed now. Sit, both of you sit. See it's full speed now, and you might get full sprinkler now. Do you like the sprinkler?
Yeah.
What is the best part about the sprinkler? Gudiya, don't hide. Enjoy. You have your goggles. Okay.
She's getting pushy. No, baby.
Okay,
No, I want baby.
What baby?
The baby one.
Okay, I stopped it. I reduced it. It'll reduce. Sit down now.
You reduce the speed?
Yeah. And Gudu, don't tell me to turn on the speed again. Just sit and enjoy with this last time. And then you can take a bath. Sit.
It's overflowing.
Yeah, it'll overflow as it fills inside.
Oh, big. It's turning red. Hey, George, look. I can go now. Origami paperboard. Look at baby Asorio. Look. There's the seed.
Yeah.
That's the water
Yeah.
coming from the hose.
Yeah. There is no water coming from the hose.
Yeah. No, what is?
That is just the water which is already in the thing.
No, put the tire high. What channel can you see, Gudiya?
Show me, where is it? Can you both sit down?
Maybe we can stand up now. No.
Gudiya, sing Barsare Megha Megha.
It's raining. It's pouring. It's raining. It's raining. It's pouring. It's raining. Let it go to minimum speed. Minimum.
Hey. Don't do that, Gudu. Can you sing the song?
We all live in a green submarine, a green submarine, a green submarine, a great green.
Loudly.
Oh, great colors.
Sing one more time, Papa.
We all live in a yellow, a movie submarine, a
Green submarine.
This is helping us grow in the sun. Look at me, we are Suryo balloons. It can also be a splash mat. Yahoo!
Did you like this play mat?
Yeah, we did. Yeah, we did.
How much do you rate out of 5?
100. 100.
Which is your favorite aquatic animal on the mat? Total?
My favorite aquatic animal is everything.
Hey, tell. You're sitting on a jellyfish right now.
So that's my favorite.
Or
animal.
there's a seahorse.
Pufferfish is my favorite animal.
This one right here.
Yeah, the pufferfish. And booty booty. The water, there's this nozzle which you have to turn. So you can.
Yeah, just turn it around. Hold the pipe and turn it around. Yeah, and the water comes out. And that's-
So much fun. No. What?
Share. Guria, share.
You can press the other side, Gudiya. It will come out.
No, let's read.
We are going in. I know you liked it, but we'll do it another day. We are going in.
No.
We will go take a bath. You're shivering. Get up.
No.
Now it's a baby sprinkler. Do you like the print of this?
Yeah.
Okay, say thanks for watching. Bye bye.
Watching our toy review, please subscribe.
Bye, sprinklers.
Bye.